Post name Digital Electronics. So title is a PLA, Programmable Logic Array, and a Programmable Array Logic. So on completion, students will be able to explain PLA and PAL. General structure of the PLD inputs are two PLDs are applied to the set of buffer and inverters. Thus, devices have both the true value of the input as well as the complementary value of the input has the outputs. Outputs from these devices, the inputs of the array and gates. The product terms is the input of the array or gates is realized the set of the sum of the product expressions. So general structure of the PLD or one or both the gate arrays are programmable. The logic designer can specify the connections within the array. PLD serve the general circuits for the realization of the set of Boolean function. So prom is a fixed program, AND array is fixed, OR array is programmable. PL is a AND array is programmable, OR array is programmable. PAL is a AND array is programmable, OR array is fixed. Programming PLD in a programmable PLD's connections, so gate can be modified. Simple approach to have inputs is connected to the fuse. So here programmable PLD, erasable PLD. PLD is programmed by user of the called field programmable. So such PLD is called maskable programmable user, and PLD notation, simplified notation each gate is a single input line. The cross of the intersection denotes the fusible link in this interact. The lack of cross indicates the fuse is blown and no connection exists. So programmable logic read-only memory and array with a buffer in inverter to N2 to ESTN decoder. Prom structure example Y is called prom the 3-bit input combination. So read-only memory the 02. In fact, the connections associated with the fusible links normally cannot be altered once they can formed. Programmable logical array. So programmable logical array is characterized by the 3 numbers. Logical array in many logic function situations, not all the minterms, and program with PLA is a realization of the set of the Boolean function. Logic design example. So addition for greater than flexibility. PLA table is a commonly ways order is fixed and manufacture of the device. Example of the logic design with a PAL, PLA and PAL. Why PL is PL in need digital electronics? That the circuit is easily connected to the on it.